Hi, my name is Michelle Lurie and I'm going to present to you a project that we've been working at here at the MeLab. The project is called Tinsy Town and it's a mobile location-based game based on augmented reality. As you see, I'm holding a phone in my hand. I opened the phone to camera mode and then I have my markers here, which I placed in the environment. I take my phone, point it to the marker, the camera reads the marker, and then voila, a virtual character where the marker is. We found this technology an amazing platform for telling stories. You can tell a fairy tale story like we did, like I'll tell you in a second, or even a media story. It's a way to engage a person in your story and make him really listen. So I'll tell you a little bit what we did. Think that you're in a garden like this, walking in an everyday life, and then you see suddenly a magical marker. When you open your phone and point it, you see a little virtual character that tells you a little bit about Tinsy Town interactively, and you can play with him through your phone and games that we created. With this project, we hope to create an engaging, interactive experience. I'm Michelle Lurie from MeLab.